This lesson is for beginner English learners. By the end, you'll be able to talk about your family and describe family members in simple English. Let's start. Brian, do you have a big family?
Not really. My family's pretty small.
Mine too. Listeners, you can say, I have a big family or I have a small family.
How do you know if it's big or small?
Good question. Big usually means many people. Small means just a few.
Makes sense.
Let's practice. Say, I have a small family.
I have a small family.
Great. Say it again.
I have a small family.
Perfect. Listeners, think about your family. Is it big or small?
Emily, what are the basic family words?
Let's start with parents, mom and dad.
Mother and father too, right?
Yes, mom is casual. Mother is more formal.
I always say mom and dad.
Most people do. It's natural.
My mom is really nice. She calls me every week.
That's sweet. You can say, my mom is nice or my dad is funny.
My dad is funny. He tells bad jokes.
Dad jokes.
Exactly.
Let's practice. Say, my mom is kind.
My mom is kind.
One more time.
My mom is kind.
Good. Now let's talk about siblings.
Siblings?
Brothers and sisters. Siblings means both.
Oh, I didn't know that word.
It's useful. Do you have siblings?
I have one brother, no sisters.
You can say, I have one brother or I have two sisters.
What if you have none?
You say, I don't have any siblings or I'm an only child.
Only child. That means no brothers or sisters.
Right. Let's practice. Say, I have one sister.
I have one sister.
Again.
I have one sister.
Great job. Tell me about your brother, Brian.
He's older than me, 3 years older.
Ah, so he's your older brother.
Right, and I'm the younger brother.
Listeners, you can say older brother or younger sister. It shows the age difference.
My older brother lives in Texas now.
Far away.
Yeah, I miss him sometimes.
That's normal. Family can live in different places.
Do you have siblings, Emily?
I have a younger sister. She's 25.
Are you close?
Very close. We talk almost every day.
That's nice.
It is. Listeners, close means you have a good relationship.
Like close friends, but family.
Exactly. Let's talk about other family members.
Like grandparents?
Yes, grandma and grandpa, or grandmother and grandfather.
My grandma makes the best cookies.
Grandmas are good at that.
She really is.
You can say, my grandma is a great cook.
My grandma is a great cook.
Let's practice that. Say, my grandpa is retired.
My grandpa is retired.
One more time.
My grandpa is retired.
Good. Retired means he stopped working.
Because he's older.
Right. What about aunts and uncles?
My mom's sister is my aunt.
Correct. And your dad's brother is your uncle.
I have 2 uncles. They're both loud.
Sounds like fun family dinners.
Very loud dinners.
And their children are your cousins.
I have a lot of cousins, maybe 10.
That's a lot.
We don't see each other much, though.
That happens. Families get busy.
What about kids? How do I talk about that?
If you have children, you say, I have a son or I have a daughter.
I don't have kids yet.
That's okay. You can say, I don't have children.
I don't have children. Simple.
Let's practice. Say, I have 2 daughters.
I have 2 daughters.
Again.
I have 2 daughters.
Perfect. Now, how do we ask about family?
Just ask, do you have family?
That works. Or tell me about your family.
Tell me about your family. That's open.
Right. People can share what they want. Some people are private about family.
True. Be respectful.
Always. Let's practice the question. Say, do you have siblings?
Do you have siblings?
One more time.
Do you have siblings?
Great. Another good question is, are you close with your family?
Are you close with your family?
That asks about the relationship.
Not just names and numbers.
Exactly. It goes deeper.
I like that question.
Okay, let's review. You can say, I have a big family.
I have a small family.
Talk about parents. My mom is kind.
My mom is kind.
Siblings. I have one brother.
I have one brother.
And ask questions. Tell me about your family.
Tell me about your family.
Wonderful job today.
Family is a nice topic.
It is. Listeners, here's a question for you. How many people are in your family? Tell us in the comments.
We'd love to hear about your family.
If this lesson helped you, subscribe for more. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.